All right, folks, today we're sliding through Elk Grove to check out StreetZlan. And look, wow. I'm calling it now. This is probably one of the best spots in all of Sacramento County. They don't put a label on it, but think Mexican fusion with a serious dose of smoked meat. They're posted up right off the I-5 side of Elk Grove. Let's go check it out. They've taken those street food memories, the stuff with real soul, and gave it the respect and the ingredients it actually deserves. Let's talk about the highlight of StreetZlan, because they take their barbecue seriously here. Check this out. This is the beef dino rib, or if you like, dino rib. Either way is fine. If you're a meat eater, this is basically the top of the mountain. They smoke this low and slow until it just gives up. You see that bark on the outside? You see that smoke ring? That's patience. You don't need a knife for this. It falls apart if you look at it the wrong way. The flavor is deep, rich, and unlike anything else you'll find in the area. But they don't just stop at the heavy meats. They're mixing those smoky flavors with bright, fresh Mexican staples. You must try the chicharron tacos. This isn't just pork rinds out of a bag. We're talking crispy, savory, fatty pork belly that has that perfect snap when you bite into it. They pair it with ingredients that cut through the richness, acid, spice, fresh herbs. It's a balancing act that hits every single taste bud. That's the thing about the menu here. Everything has its own unique personality. Nothing tastes generic and nothing tastes like it came out of a can, because it did not come out of a can. And look, I know how it goes. You want the good food, but you've got the kids with you. StreetZlan is 100% family territory. They put just as much effort into the kids menu as they do the main menu. Whether it's a solid quesadilla or a slider, they're feeding your little ones real food, cooked fresh. No frozen afterthoughts here. The kids leave happy, which means you actually get to enjoy that dino rib in peace. So if you're in Elk Grove and you're tired of the same old chain restaurants, or you just can't find any decent Mexican food, because I know in Sacramento County, it's hard to find well-cooked Mexican food, come across the bridge to StreetZlan. You have to taste what happens when passion meets fire. This is StreetZlan on Laguna Main Street. Come hungry, leave happy. Definitely check them out. StreetZlan is located on the I-5 side of Elk Grove, so they're not getting the traffic that you see over off the 99 side. And some people may not know about it, but I'm hoping to spread the word. They have amazing food, and you deserve to give yourself a treat here at StreetZlan. See what they have going on. And I forgot to mention the fish tacos. You must try a fish taco. They have them every day now, not just on Thursdays. If you're looking for some of the best fusion food in Sacramento County, definitely check them out.